My name is Raj and I'm from Sri Lanka. I was working in the advertising department, which was owned by my father for almost 35 years. And I have also done a lot of films as a production manager, which my father produced. My father was living in Australia and he fell sick. So I was here in year 2010 on a visitor's visa. Till 2014, I was in Sri Lanka looking after my business. And during that time, I got a message saying that my father is on his end of path situation. He expired, he passed away just after we left this country. My brother applied for visa for both of us, for my wife and myself, because my mother was also aging. She was 87 at that time. She had some health problem, and I was asked to come there. And from year 2015, during that time I received my visa, a permanent residency visa in Australia, and I was here looking after my mother for almost 2 years. During that time, my wife was suffering for some illness, and she was detected that she was having cancer. I had to look after my mother plus my wife because both were patients to me. Since the rents and things were very high, and after my wife's surgery, I thought, wife and myself must move to another place. It is called a retirement place, and we were living there for almost 1 year peacefully. I got a bad news from the real estate people saying that they are going to demolish my house, and I got only 3 months time to vacate that place. And I was running here and there, going through all the websites, and I couldn't find an affordable house for both of us. I am 62 at the moment, and it is very difficult to get a job, and due to that reason I'm receiving some money from Centrelink. At the same time I'm working for Dole. My wife's employment, what she is doing now, is not enough. Because that reason I lost my concession card from the Sydney Railways. That made me very difficult to pay a visit to my mother. I have not met my mother for the last 2 months, and my definition of being happy is making people happy, and I have made my mother and my wife very happy. My happiness can be reflected in the place where I am living. So I have kept my house clean as much as possible. I always move with all the community people, the less fortunate people, to keep the people very happy, because happiness comes only when you make the other person happy. So that's what my motto is, and that's what I am trying to do at the moment.